Your diesel engine with difficult cold starts could be suffering from poor fuel quality. If you suspect inferior quality fuel or water in your fuel, treat with Diesel Extreme and change the fuel filter. To prevent future problems from poor fuel quality, use our everyday diesel treatment to ensure premium fuel at every fill-up. You could also have a grid heater or a glow plug problem. It could be something as simple as a corroded battery cable or a wiring open. Both would cause the heater not to work at full capacity or result in a complete failure. Measuring voltage drop across the wiring and resistance across the heaters themselves will give you a good indication of their condition. If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our diesel experts at 1-800-341-6516.